Picture this, it's Friday night, you've got plans, maybe a date, maybe drinks with the guys, and you want to look put together. Not like you're heading to a board meeting, but just sharp, stylish, effortless. But then you open your closet and everything feels either too casual or too dressed up. A suit, too much. That hoodie with pizza stains, definitely not. You're a jeans and a t-shirt kind of guy. Maybe with a few miles on the odometer. Hey, 25 to 55 is prime style territory. And you just want to look good without feeling overdressed or uncomfortable. Here's the good news. You totally can. You don't need designer labels or fashion degree. You just need a few smart moves. And no, not the usual fit is king or confidence is key stuff. You've heard that 100 times already. My name is Omari and I have a passion for fashion and want to share all the stuff that I know with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why and how the whole idea of dressing well has changed more than you think. The casual revolution, how dressing down became cool. Let's rewind for a second. Not long ago, your grandfather's idea of casual probably still meant a full suit, maybe just without a tie. Back then, men wear hats, polished their shoes, and you would never catch one in public wearing a sweatshirt. Fast forward to now, we are in an era where billionaire CEOs roll into meetings with hoodies and sneakers. The guy running a tech empire might be wearing the same jeans he wore to brunch. The definition of dressed appropriately has done a full 180. Here's a major turning point. Casual Friday. It started in the 1960s Hawaii as Aloha Friday, where workers wore Hawaiian shirts to celebrate local culture. That vibe made its way to the US mainland, and by the 90s, Casual Friday has gone full corporate. People got a taste of dressing down and liked it. Eventually, they thought, why just Friday? Today, the line between work clothes and weekend clothes is pretty much gone. Some people code billion-dollar apps in pajamas. Entire offices now run on hoodies and sneakers. So what does that mean for you? It means casual isn't lazy. It's the new normal. The trick is making it look intentional. Casual can absolutely be stylish. And when done right, it's one of the easiest ways to look modern and sharp without trying too hard. So now that we know casual wear is totally legit, the next question is, how do you make it look sharp without trying too hard? Number 2, the casual sharp mindset. Effortless, not careless. Looking sharp in casual wear isn't just about what you wear. It's about how you wear it. The goal? Hit that sweet spot between sloppy and try hard. You want people to think he looks great and like he didn't even try. The Italians have a word for this. Sprezzatura. It's all about effortless style. Back in the 1500s, Baldassare Castiglione called it a certain nonchalance that makes everything look easy. In other words, dress well but make it look natural. So how do you pull that off? Number 1, don't overthink it. Half-tucked shirt, rolled sleeves, perfect. Number 2, mix comfort and polish. A blazer with jeans, sneakers with chinos, sharp but chill. And number 3, be intentional, not stiff. Choose good colors or a standout jacket, but keep it relaxed. Here's the thing, fashion isn't shallow, it's self-expression. When your outfit feels like you, it shows. Just like a real smile beats a forced one. Authentic style style always wins. So what's the bottom line? Effortless cool takes a little effort, but it's all in how you wear it. Relax, stay a little imperfect. And that's exactly what makes casual look sharp. Alright, mindset is key. But let's get into the good stuff. Actual style moves you can try today to upgrade your style. Number 3, modern style moves. Practical tips to elevate your casual look. Now let's get into some actionable style moves. Here are a few practical tips. You don't have to do all of these at once. Even 1 or 2 can level up your look. Number 1, mix high and low. One trick stylists love is mixing a dressier item with casual pieces. For example, throw a blazer or sport coat over a simple t-shirt and jeans. Or wear clean white sneakers with otherwise dressy chinos and a button down. Number 2, layer and add texture. Wearing a light jacket, overshirt or hoodie over a tee adds depth. Also, pay attention to fabric textures. Denim, leather, wool, cotton, knits. Mixing these can make a simple outfit way more interesting. Number 3, use color smartly. Don't be afraid to throw in a bit of color. Start small. Maybe a burgundy sweater or olive chinos. Or go monochrome for a sleek, minimal look. Number 4, upgrade your shoes. Swap the beat-up running shoes for a clean pair of leather sneakers or sleek boots. People notice shoes first. Good ones can elevate even the most basic outfit. Number 5, ace the details with accessories and grooming. Accessories add personality. A cool watch, a belt that matches your shoes, or a simple chain. Grooming matters too. Keep your hair and beard neat. No food stains on the shirt, please. Number 6, find your signature. Maybe you are the guy who always wears vintage tees with a modern jacket, or the flannel shirt guy, or the guy with wild socks. Having a thing helps people remember your style. These tips are powerful, but the real magic happens when your style starts reflecting who you are. Let's talk about that. Style as self-expression. Wear your identity. Clothes are more than just cloth. They are a form of self-expression. What you wear, even casually, speaks volumes about who you are. If you love music, wear that vintage band tee. If you are into sustainability, rock eco-friendly sneakers. If you are into travel, maybe that scarf from Morocco makes an appearance. Fashion is a creative outlet. Even in a laid-back outfit, you can add a touch of you. A clean minimalist outfit says, I'm a no BS guy. A colorful one might say, I'm bold and expressive. There's no one right way to do casual style. It's about authenticity. So now you've got the tools and the inspiration. What's next? Let's wrap it up and get you started on your style journey. Dressing well doesn't mean dressing up in the traditional sense. You can be the most stylish guy in the room in a t-shirt and jeans if you approach it right. Mix and match pieces, tweak the fit, add your personal flair, and wear everything with laid-back confidence. Remember, looking casual yet sharp is a journey. You experiment, you find what works, and you build on it. Start with one idea from this video. Maybe try the high-low mix, or upgrade your shoes and see how you feel. Have fun with it. Fashion isn't rules. It's a celebration of who you are. Whether you are 18 or 58, it's never too late to refine your style in a way that suits you. Stay stylish, stay true to yourself, and enjoy the compliments coming your way. My name is Omari. I wish you all the best. Until next time, peace.